morning, this is my PEC St. Lorenzo Ruiz. Hello everyone, today we are the St. Lorenzo Ruiz group. I am grateful that you're here. I am grateful because I am thankful for everything that I have in my life and to all the blessings of God. I am representing the fathers of the group. My Bible verse is 4:13. I can do all things through Him who strengthens me. Why I choose this Bible verse? I choose this Bible verse because I am especially confident that I can endure the circumstances because of the strength that I receive from Christ. This verse is interpreted as a message of empowerment and resilience. I'm going to introduce to you now the members of the group. Mother.
My Bible verse is things of circumstance, for this is God's before you.
Sister.
Give me, Lord, I will be believe. Save me and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise. Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 4. Hi, I'm Vienna. My children is to give your words to the Lord and your plans to be established.
Go.
107, Lord. This is our verse as a reminder that God's compassion is greater than our shortcomings and our greatest mistake do not determine who we are. St. Lorenzo is became a living example of bravery, forgiveness, and dedication by remaining faithful in this religion and that is the
Who is Saint Lorenzo? Saint Lorenzo is born around the year 1600 to Manila. He was the son of a Chinese father and Filipino one. Both were Christians and took their place Lorenzo as a Catholic. He served in Napoli in his parish church as an altar boy and he is also the first Saint Lorenzo of Peru. He is a member of the Third Order of Saint Paul. He is the patron saint of the Filipino. He is recognized for his unwavering faith in religion. And now we will present our PEC.
Who's our model, brave and true? Saint Lorenzo, we look to you. Courage, faith, sacrifice, strength. Lorenzo, Lorenzo, raised in high. Lorenzo, Lorenzo, brave and true. Arriba, arriba.